Can I ask any of you guys a question? Are you guys in fear? Are you guys in fear of anything? Terrorism? The war on terror? This what I'm wearing right here, I got in the Marine Corps after 9/11, after those towers went down. There's a lot of people that are afraid of people like me that would risk everything, right? Because my father was a firefighter. Rescue too. So if I would have followed in his footsteps, I would have been in that tower. But no, as 26 years old, I said, all those people that went before me and fought for what? What I thought was my freedom, it was not. Because the actual perpetrators of 9/11 was Israel! Israel did 9/11! I will fight for my freedom!
Sir.
Yes.
I understand. Just take a deep breath, though. Because, again, I was just explaining that they have a job to do. We're here for a reason.
That's all. I got my deep breath out, didn't I? Did I break any sound codes? Why are you all here right now? Taking away our freedom! Under what authority? Under what crown? There was a call for 10,000 people in this street. Our people are under attack. Psychological warfare. I am not afraid. I have 360 degrees of vision. Why are you here? All of you, why are you here? Who is it for? Your children? There will be a famine. All financial resets come with the famine. That's how they enslave us. When they take truth out of reason and the rational mind and gaslight us and make us believe lies, you are all enforcing lies. Why are you here? Why are you here? Who's going to feed your children? They're going to inject all your children, aren't they? This is madness, what is descending upon us. And will you enforce it? Because as a United States Marine, I could not wait to disobey an unlawful order. They told us about that with the Geneva Conventions, right?
Trust me.